Welcome to our tutorial on how to view contacts on Twitter using your PC. Follow these steps to access and manage your contacts with ease. To begin, click on the More menu located on the top right corner of your Twitter homepage. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy in the menu and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust your account settings. Within the settings, locate and click on Privacy and Safety to access privacy-related settings for your Twitter account. Under the Privacy and Safety section, find and click on Discoverability and Contacts to manage how your account is discoverable to others and view your contacts. Once you're in the Discoverability and Contacts section, click on Manage Contacts to view the contacts associated with your Twitter account. At this point, you may be prompted to enter your password for security verification. After confirming your identity, all of your uploaded contacts will be displayed for you to review and manage as needed. By following these steps, you can easily view and manage your contacts on Twitter using your PC. Stay organized and connected with your network through efficient contact management on the platform. That's all for our tutorial on how to view contacts on Twitter using your PC. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay tuned for more Twitter tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience.